Hello, this is Daniel with Pre-Owned Motor Cars again. Just wanted to show you another new arrival. Here's our 2017 Toyota Tacoma. This one's a TRD off-road and it's got the longer bed too. So this one's got running boards already pre-installed. Also has bed protector. On the front two door handles, you're gonna get keyless entry. You're just gonna hit that tab right there on the door handle. As long as you got the key on you, you don't have to pull it out. It should unlock and lock the vehicle for you, which is pretty nice. On top of that, you have the power sliding rear window. This one's right at 80,000 miles right now. You got your controls right on the steering wheel. That'll be for your info screen up here, as well as getting through the radio and then your Bluetooth stuff too. And you have your cruise control stock behind there. This one is a push start, so you don't have to pull your key out ever to unlock or even start the vehicle. And then you have your 4x4 shifter right here. On top of that, you're gonna get, you see that mark there, same mark down there. That's gonna be your wireless charging pad. So if you lay your phone out there, it'll light that up, letting you know that your phone's now charging. On top of that, you're gonna get the WeatherTech mats for easy cleanup. Cloth seats, and the seats are actually in really good condition too. More WeatherTech mats in the back, and then clean seats back here too. In the bed, you do get you get one of these standard kind of plug-ins, which is pretty cool. So if you're going camping or if you need to charge your tools on the go, you got that option. And it's equipped with the V6. So let us know if you're interested in this one. You can give us a call at 808-334-1111, or you can go online to check it out for more details. Our website's hawaiicar.com. Thanks again.